Hello everyone, this is Eshuchira. So welcome to this channel. So I have a query from one of my student, like what is a peace settlement, especially which happened in Vienna. What is the Vienna peace settlement? That's what my student has asked. So let me help you to understand what is a peace settlement. The Vienna peace settlement is typically referring to the arrangements that are made following the end of the Napoleonic Wars. So, when the Napoleonic Wars happened, the Napoleonic Wars we refer to 1815. That is, after Napoleon Bonaparte as emperor was defeated in the Battle of Waterloo. And when there is a settlement that is made to conclude that wars and to prevent any this kind of the growth of a leader like Napoleon. So they have gone for a peace agreement negotiated at a place that is Vienna. The place name is Vienna where it has been signed. And the location is Vienna. So the meeting which happened in Vienna is called the Congress of Vienna. So what do we call that one? The Congress of Vienna. So in this Congress of Vienna, the conference, the ambassadors from various European states chaired here, that is Austrian statesman Metternich. The main purpose of this meeting or this Congress was to redraw the map of Europe. Now, what is the need to redraw the map of Europe? Why did they redraw the map of Europe? It is because they want to have a balance of power. In order to avoid any such leader like Napoleon to grow again, they wanted to create a strong boundaries around France. That's what this is called, the redrawing of the boundaries or the new balance of power. So when they want to do this one, they decided first thing to have new borders around the French state or France. That is the first agenda in the Congress of Vienna. Secondly, they want to restore the balance, and whoever has been removed from power by Napoleon or overthrown by Napoleon, those people, the monarchs, I'm not talking about the common people, the kings who were being dethroned by Napoleon or overthrown by Napoleon, whom Napoleon has defeated and replaced them. There they want to bring back the monarchs of the same dynasty and they want to get them back. And the third, the balance of power, very, very important one. The Congress sought to establish the balance of power in Europe to prevent any single nation from becoming too dominant as France has become, as Napoleon has grown. And some territories were exchanged between the nations as compensation for the war losses, which were caused when the war was happening, when they fought against Napoleon, when the battle was happening, and suppression of nationalism. They don't want to have any nationalist movements or revolutionary movements. They want to maintain their order, the monarch's order. So basically, it covers the main key points like the balance of power, legitimacy, the overthrown kings or the monarchs by Napoleon to be brought back to power, or the same dynasty people. If that person is not alive, the successor will be brought back. Compensation because they have fought the war, they have occurred some losses. So, in order to balance that, and they want to suppress completely the nationalism. They don't want any revolutions to happen here. So, in short, to conclude, the Vienna peace settlement had a profound impact, a serious impact on the European politics after 1815, after this was signed. The diplomacy was much of the 19th century, shaping the course of the events and setting the stage for a larger development such as an 1848 revolution, the unification of Italy, and the unification of Germany. So, this was the starting point which paved the path for the revolutions of 1848, then the unification of Italy, unification of Germany in 1870s. So, this set the tone for the major changes which happened in the 19th century in European politics. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section. Hope the Vienna peace settlement. What is the Vienna peace settlement? Is being answered clearly to all of you. If you have any doubts, feel free to mention them. Thank you.